Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update or auto update your apps in Google Play Store. So you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Once you're here, you might be in games, you might be in book search, wherever it is, but go ahead and simply press the profile picture on the upper right hand side. Now from here, you want to tap on manage apps and device. Once you tap on that, you'll see the option that says update available, and it will show you if you have two pending updates or some or whatever amount of apps it have that needs to be updated. You will see it, but all you have to do is just tap on that and you will see those updates. Now you can choose to update the apps one by one by simple tapping on one of them and it will start the update process, or you see before that you could simple tap update all on the upper right hand side. But that's it. You can go ahead and you can update the apps from here, or if you go back, you will have an option as well that allows you to update apps as well directly from here. So choose that and go ahead and update your apps, and that is how you update your apps using the Google Play Store. Very easy and very simple, guys.